The best ways to earn recognition or promotion within an organization is to make proposals that are accepted by your supervisor and put into place to show that your ideas have benefited the company in helping achieve objectives that you and your supervisor share. And the key to this is to think about what are the kinds of benefits that typically companies look for to improve their bottom line. Something like increasing dollars, something that will increase sales, or something that will reduce costs and go directly to the bottom line. Enhance a competitive advantage, maybe a consumer preferred additive that allows your company to promote an advantage versus competition, or lower risk, maybe lowering environmental risk, financial risk, lowering an audit risk. Increasing reliability, the ability to do something in a total quality management process, doing something the same every time with fewer steps perhaps. Making life easier for a supplier, for a customer, for a supervisor, for direct report, something that you can do to take a burden off one of the important stakeholders in the company. To improve diversity of your suppliers, of customers, of consumers, of the team. Taking advantage of opportunities. There might be something like, let's have an ad at the Super Bowl, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity this year in order to promote a key competitive advantage that one of our products have. So I'd like you to stop the tape right here and think about a specific proposal that you might have, and then evaluate for each of these 7 items how you might say that it has that particular impact that might impress your supervisor, and also think about which of these things is most important to the supervisor. Start thinking then in terms of the common benefits that people promote that affect the bottom line of a company, and typically this Kaizen, the famous Japanese thinking, and identify multiple benefits using package size. And in Kaizen you say, well, why is that important? Why is that important? Why is that important? So you generate a whole series of benefits. So stop the tape here and be thinking about what would the possible using the package size to the company, to our customers, consumers. Identified at least 4 or 5. Then restart the tape and let's talk about the final. So let's look at the final slide where we talk about collecting the brainstormed advantages and grouping them into no more than 3 benefits organized hierarchically according to the preferences of the people who you're asking to say yes to your proposal. So in this particular case, first of all, we talk about cost savings. There'll be cost savings in terms of packaging materials because of the smaller package. We can fit the same amount of space in terms of the trucks through which we're transporting them, and also in terms of the warehousing that we have. And secondly, improved customer satisfaction, because the customers will have the same advantages of more product in the same space in their trucks for delivery, in their warehouses, and on store shelves, because they can fit more product in the same amount of space, reducing out of stocks. And lastly, we can claim to be environmentally responsible because less material will be sourced, used, and disposed. Less energy will be used to make and to transport the product. So again, you can see how Kaizen is very valuable in helping you go through a list of advantages and collecting them in such a way that you can make a compelling case.